Most people think the future of energy is in space, solar satellites, asteroid mining, nuclear fusion. But what if the biggest energy source is already beneath your feet? Right now, under the surface of Earth, there is enough heat energy to power human civilization for thousands, maybe millions, of years. And we are only using a tiny fraction of it. This energy comes from something called geothermal heat. Deep inside Earth, temperatures reach more than 6,000 degrees Celsius, almost as hot as the surface of the sun. This heat is created from three main sources. First, leftover heat from when Earth was formed 4.5 billion years ago. Second, radioactive decay of elements like uranium and thorium inside rocks. Third, constant pressure and movement inside Earth's core and mantle. All this heat slowly moves upward toward the surface. In some places, it comes out naturally, like volcanoes, hot springs, and geysers. But scientists discovered something shocking. Even in places without volcanoes, the ground below us is still extremely hot, just deeper underground. This is where geothermal energy technology comes in. Countries like Iceland already run most of their electricity and heating using geothermal power. In Iceland, people literally heat homes using underground heat from Earth. No coal. No gas. Almost no pollution. But here is where things become even more interesting. Scientists are now developing something called enhanced geothermal systems. Instead of waiting for natural hot water underground, engineers drill deep into hot dry rock, then inject water. The water heats up and returns as steam, which spins turbines to generate electricity. This means almost any country could potentially generate geothermal energy, not just volcanic regions. And the energy potential is massive. Some studies suggest that just using deep geothermal energy in a few regions could power entire continents. But then comes the big question. If geothermal energy is so powerful, why isn't the whole world already using it? The answer is technology and cost. Drilling deep into Earth is extremely expensive and technically difficult. For example, the deepest hole humans ever drilled was the Kola superdeep borehole in Russia. It reached about 12 kilometers deep. And even that was nowhere near Earth's mantle. Temperatures became so high that machines stopped working properly. Rock started behaving like soft plastic. Scientists had to stop drilling. But today, new drilling technologies are being developed, including plasma drilling and advanced laser drilling. These technologies could allow humans to drill much deeper, faster, and cheaper. If this becomes successful, it could completely change the global energy system. Imagine a world where electricity is generated directly from Earth's heat, available 24 hours a day, no sunlight needed, no wind needed, no fuel transportation needed. Just energy from the planet itself. And here is the most surprising part. Earth's geothermal energy is basically renewable on human timescales. Because Earth constantly produces heat from radioactive decay and internal processes. That means, even if humans use geothermal power for thousands of years, Earth will still keep producing more heat. Some scientists even believe geothermal could become the most stable energy source for future civilizations. And if humans ever colonize other planets, geothermal energy may help them survive there too. Because many planets and moons, like Mars and Europa, also have internal heat. So in a way, the key to future space survival might come from understanding energy inside planets. Right now, most people look up at the sky searching for future energy solutions. But maybe, the real answer has always been below us. Hidden. Silent. Waiting to be used. Earth is not just our home. It might be our biggest power source. And we are only just beginning to understand it. If you want to learn real secrets about Earth, space, and future science, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Because the biggest discoveries are still coming.